In life, sustainability and honor are rooted in the principle of stewardship, the intentional care for what has been entrusted to you. Whether it's your job, your health, your spouse, your spiritual leaders, your business, or even your body, whatever God has placed in your life as a channel of support must be nurtured, protected, and appreciated. Many people lose their blessings not because of demonic attacks, but because of negligence. When you ignore what's sustaining you, you unknowingly create the room for loss, dryness, or stagnation. Imagine a farmer refusing to water his crops and expecting a harvest. That's the danger of failing to care for your source. Even in relationships and partnerships, gratitude and maintenance are keys to longevity. The Bible is filled with examples where care, honor, and responsibility produced increase. Luke 16:10. Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. If you take care of what you have now, you prove yourself ready for more. Proverbs 27:23-24. Be sure you know the condition of your flocks. Give careful attention to your herds, for riches do not endure forever. This shows the importance of monitoring and nurturing your sources of livelihood. Malachi 1:6-7. A son honors his father, and a servant his master. If I am a father, where is the honor due me? God himself seeks to be honored and taken care of in our relationship with him. Even Jesus valued relationships. He cared for his disciples, honored his father, and even took care of his mother while on the cross. John 19:26-27. Look around your life. What are the things or people that are taking care of you, spiritually, emotionally, financially, or mentally? Don't neglect them. Honor your job by working diligently. Appreciate the people who support and encourage you. Maintain your health. Your body is the vessel of your destiny. Sow into your place of worship and spiritual leaders. Nurture your relationship with God, your ultimate source. When you take care of what takes care of you, you secure your next level. Don't wait until you lose something valuable before you realize its worth. Bible attribute. The Bible goes further to tell us in Galatians 6:6-7, let the one who is taught the word share all good things with the one who teaches. Do not be deceived. God is not mocked. For whatever one sows, that will he also reap. You must sow care, honor, and responsibility into what benefits your life. Be intentional. Be grateful. Be responsible. Neglect leads to loss, but care leads to multiplication. If you want God to continue using that channel to bless you, show that you're a wise steward of his provision. Thank you for your time. Please like, comment, share, follow, or subscribe, and also turn on your notifications for more.